Okay, hello and welcome to another SAT video. Today's topic is linear equations, systems of linear equations in two variables. Let's begin. Find the values of x that satisfy the system. So this is just about simply solving simultaneously. And I'm going to go ahead and do that on my calculator. I'm going to put it into equation and solve simultaneously. I don't need to do it manually. Remember that you can do this on the exam as well because it's about getting the correct answer. So save some time. If you are doing this on your calculator, you should know how to solve a simultaneous equation. So 34 over 7 and 19 over 7. Okay. Or you can also solve this 5x plus 3y equals to 7 and 16x plus 12y equals to 28. Let's solve that too. Again, 5, 3, 7, 16, 12, and 28. So I get 0 and 7 over 3. That means it has a unique solution. Okay. Then the third one, what is the value of x in the solution set? So again, I go 1, 1, and 1, and 2, minus 1, and 7. Execute. 8 over 3 is the value for x. 2x minus y equals to 17, and x plus 2y equals to 6. Again, solving simultaneously. All of these questions are the same. So I'm just doing them on the calculator and seeing what my answers are. Remember that in this question, I don't need to tell you the value of x or y. I have to tell you the value of x plus y. So x is 8, y is minus 1, which gives me 7 as the total. So again, 1, 1, and 5, 2, minus 1, and 4. So 3 and 2. Okay. Given two equations, what is the value of y? So again, solving simultaneously. None of these questions are actually different from each other. And I'm just going on and showing you different questions. You should also rehearse the solutions on your calculators so that you know where you make a silly mistake. X is 9 and y is minus 3. Often we end up choosing the wrong answer instead of looking at the specifics of the question. Okay, so which of the following is the correct option for this? So 54x. Okay, it's in that form. So let's just go 54, 63. Now, you see, if you were doing this manually, you would probably have a lot of trouble thinking about what numbers are substituting and all those things. Although I see factors of 13, multiples of 13, it's giving me 0 and minus 14. Consistent with the unique solution. Okay, there's a unique solution coming out. Find individual marks for each subject scored by Rajesh such that the sum of the marks obtained by Rajesh in the two subjects is 176 and the difference is 12. So again, I have a pair of simultaneous equation 1, 1 and 176. 1 minus 1 and 12. My calculator can do that. 94 and 82. So that should be the correct answer. Again, solution of the system. So 1, 1 and 16 and 1 minus 1 and 8. 12 and 4. Last question, I think, for the set. It's bothering me a little. 4 minus 5 and 2, 1 minus 4 and 2. So I think it has exactly one solution. I see that there's another solution there, so that's fine. That brings us to the end of the session. I think that should be it for this level. I will see you with the next level in the next video. Thank you for watching.